Hey friends, so there's a newer kind of feature on YouTube that I'd help show how to use it. I mean, it's not really that complicated, but if you drag a file into your create thing, it brings up this window here, and then you can edit it. You can reuse details. So I do a lot of the same content, some kind of videos on different games and stuff like that. So you can just go to reuse details and then click on a video that you have the same kind of content going on there. And then it'll give you this thing, select the details you want to use, and just check the ones that you want. It has your categories and all that. So if you have a video that you've already done, all your tags and everything, your description is pretty much all the same. So if you're doing that, you can just click the reuse button there, and that'll load everything up right here, and you don't have to mess with that. My playlist is there, my description, my tags, all the game, all that stuff. So save yourself a little bit of time. That reuse detail thing is kind of handy. Thought I'd share. You guys have a good one, and I'll see you next time.